Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your home science class, and students, today's topic is chapter 7 CQ-2, that means creative question 2. Today we will discuss this chapter. Now please look at the board. So today we will discuss this question CQ number 2. Students, I'm saying that I will just give you the idea that how you have to write the answers. Okay, so if you want to get a good mark, you have to add more things to this. Now the creative question: Abdul Malik is a rickshaw puller. His elder son Rana is 12 years old. He reads in class 5 and is a good student. Abdul Malik cannot work properly as he has been sick for a long time. In this circumstance, Abdul Malik has stopped Rana's education and has sent him to a nearby garments factory to work there. This question is actually taken from your textbook, and the first question was not taken from the textbook. Number A. Which is the most widely expected human right? Number B. Why most of the children of Bangladesh are deprived of a good protection according to the declaration? Which right has Rana been deprived of? Explain. Number D. To what extent is Abdul Malik's decision justified according to the Declaration of United Nations? Analyze it. Now the first answer. Children's right is the most widely expected human right. Number B. UN Declaration assure a good protection, but many children of Bangladesh are deprived of it because of extreme poverty, negligence of parents, illiteracy, overpopulation, and increasing rate of criminal activities. Students, here you have to put a full stop. Now number C. Rana is deprived of his right of education. He is being used as a child laborer. His father cannot work properly as he has been sick for a long time, and he is the only earning member of the family. So, Rana's father cannot continue Rana's study and stops his study. Abdul Malik has sent Rana to a nearby garments factory to work there. Rana has to stop his education because of poverty. Every child has the right of education, but Rana is deprived of this right only for poverty. Number D. According to the United Nations Declaration, all children, irrespective of gender, race, religion, nationality, physical capability, and financial background, have the right of education. But the agreement does not include even a sentence regarding who will support the poverty-ridden children. It is not all that they do not pay any fee up to class 5. They need food, clothing, shelter, and treatment. Abdul Malik has sent his son to work as he is sick for a long time. He will again send his son to school when he will be able to pull his rickshaw. Students, so this is the answer of this question. This is the specimen answer actually. This is a model answer. And students, if you want to get a good mark, you have to add more things to this. And your HW number 6 is CQ number 2, A and B. This is your HW. So students, that's all for today. See you in the next class. Inshallah, stay safe, stay well, take care. Allah Hafiz.